I brought a variety of my favorite dulcimers here. I call my favorite American instrument because they were born and bred in the Appalachian Hills. Okay, I got a little saying here, kind of like those comedy sayings. It might be a mountain dulcimer if it sounds like a mandolin. These instruments can mimic a lot of instruments. Or if it sounds like a guitar, acoustic or electric, or sounds like a bass or a banjo or a harp or a harpsichord, bells or a carillon, that's the big bells on top of a church. Yeah, violin, cello, dobro, steel guitar, hammered dulcimer, or if it sounds like itself. You can pick it, you can strum it, you can bow it, you can slide it, you can hammer it. All kinds of ways to play the dulcimer. One of my favorite old ones is this one. This is called a Tennessee music box. Since it's all set up to play in a minor key, I'll play my minor one first for you guys. So, the way people would play these back then, this thing could be well over 100 years old, is what I'm going to play, is they'd play with turkey feathers. Go ahead. What? Oh, just like to raise your hand? Okay. I don't play with a turkey feather. I play with a strap from a box. Okay? Because to play properly with a turkey feather means you have to cut all the feathers off and play with this end up here, not this end. A lot of photo pictures are taken like this, but that's nonsense. People didn't play them like that. They played them like this with no feathers on. So this is an old hymn. Let's see, where's it? Wayfaring Stranger. So these things sounded very haunting back then. So that's how that sounds like. Now I remove my nail, and I'll play one more song on here. And this one is called Heifredal. You may know it as a Christmas song called Come Thou Long Expected Jesus. Keep in mind, this is like all white notes on the piano. That's all it is. Just the white notes. Now, moving on up the ladder, the food chain of the dulcimer, we have a more modern one, and this is called the courting dulcimer. It's meant for girls and boys to play together. So, do I have any volunteers? Yes, we do.
Here I go.
Miss Ivy.
All right, I'm going to step right through you guys. So sorry. There you go. Okay. Now, last class was my first time ever touching one of these instruments, so let's see how round 2 goes.
Yeah. One thing about the dulcimer, you don't have to know a lot about music. You kind of have to keep time, with your partner or whoever else you're playing with. But we go by just the numbers of the notes. So open is 0, and 1 is the first fret. You put your finger behind the first fret, and 2 would be put your finger just behind the second fret, and so on. We got 2 little songs here. And the first song, choose your weapon.
Thank you.
The first song is colloquially called the battle cry of the dulcimer player. Watch your head so you don't hit that. And it's called Boil Them Cabbage. It's about the Civil War, because back then you'd live in tents for weeks and months on end in camps, and sometimes all you had to eat was cabbage soup. Mm. You can make it minor too and call it boiled borscht.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
I like that.
So I'll show you that later. So anyway, this is Boil Them Cabbage. So she's going to play this with me.
Okay.
So just 1A and 1B.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
Let's go there.
Ready?
Okay.
All right. Now, if you feel so inclined, please sing along. I'm going to play a Amadeus Mozart song, and you don't know he wrote it, but you'll know the song. Are you ready?
Okay, let's see. A, B, B, B. Okay, all right.
Got
yes.
it?
Yep.
Okay.
There's 4.
Let's start over.
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Excellent. Excellent, kids. Absolutely excellent. Now I got one more little surprise for you. And who's your teacher? Who's it?
Right there, Miss Webb.
Okay. Come up and get my card later. I've had these for years, and I've taught kids to play the dulcimer. And these are made out of a simple postal box and 2 little paint stir sticks, the 5-gallon ones. And toothpicks are the frets. So you can play Twinkle Little Star on here. Or you can play Bach. You can play Bach on this. So you too could make these if your teachers want me to come to your school someday. Now, I got one special thing. Can I do this special? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just takes a minute. Moving on the food chain with the dulcimer. This is my professional dulcimer. And it's going to have some special effects on. I really like to play for you kids. One song.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't need, yeah, I know. I don't need that. I need a chord out of here. Just give me a second. Watch everything come crashing down on me now. Okay, thank you. I'm going to plug this. This one's going to be electrified. I don't know. Is this song still in the current movie Wicked?
Ooh, I don't know.
Over the Rainbow.
I would think it would have to be.
I don't know if it's in Wicked or not. But you all know the song. You'll know this. Now this is what a really modern dulcimer sounds like.
Second grade signal.
I got a couple questions, quick questions. Go ahead.
They're giving me the signal, I'm sorry.
What's that?
They were
Oh, that's different?
they were
That's,
giving a signal.
that's not a
I was trying to get
question? Okay, cool. So this is Over the Rainbow. Hold on here. Let me check something here. Pretty close. I hope you enjoyed the dulcimers. You have a-
Museum today. Gotta check out the space shuttle, can't wait. Let's go to the museum today. I know way more than I did yesterday. Really gotta pull me away from the museum today.